welcome to D2K. I'm Durga Durairajan, and today we're gonna see how to do a tasty and yummy peanut masala. Come on, let's do it. And wait. I have to tell you something. For boiling the peanut, we have already uploaded green peas and how to boil green peas. The link is in the description. We have uploaded that green peas gravy. For that we have told how to boil it. Already the same way only how to follow for the peanut also. These are the ingredients. Now let's take a pan and heat it, and when it is heated we add 1 tablespoon of oil, and when it is heated we add 6 pieces of finely chopped garlic in it, and then stir it well. Now we have to add 1 finely chopped onion in it and then salt it well. Now we have to add 2 green chilies and in it and then stir it well. Now we have to add the half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as required. Now we have to add the boiled peanut in it, and then we have to mix the boiled peanut in it, and then we have to add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and then we mix it or stir it well. Now we add coriander leaves in it, and then we add 2 tablespoons of grated carrot and 2 tablespoons of grated mango in it, raw mango in it. And that's it. After mixing, we are ready with our tasty and yummy peanut masala. And do you know, I personally like the tasty and yummy snack, and that's very tasty. I would have that type of snack only. That is very nice, and you also have to try it. This is personally I like this only very much, and don't miss this. You also have to try it in your home. Yay! So finally we are with the tasty and yummy peanut masala. Come on, let's taste it. And before tasting it, let's see a magic. Mr. D2K dish, come here. Whoa, look at that. That's coming. See, it is. Now let's taste it. That's so yummy. You have to try it, friends. And why is this shaking here and there? If you like this video, like and share, and then tell your valuable comments to us. And please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon nearby. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next episode. Bye.